Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. About 2 weeks ago we had done some coffee dyeing, tea dyeing, and ink dyeing of regular coffee paper. And so now we're finally getting back to that. I actually had forgot about my paper between all the stuff and things that we do. But here are the papers as they sat and dried. I did have them next to a dehumidifier for a couple days, but they were dry like within 4 or 5 days. And we had really soaked them. So the first ones we have here are the coffee dyed papers, and I haven't taken these apart so you can see that they do not stick. And look at that one. That one's beautiful. And this is from the pooling of the coffee. So we're going to separate them. As you can see, they look pretty vintage and they look nice. And we also ran some of this paper through our circuit, and it will cut and write on them. But you could probably also put these in a copier or printer and print on them as well if there was something you wanted to put on these. So these are separating just like regular paper. They do not stick, which I just find amazing. So these are the coffee dyed ones here. There's a fold here, but I think that's cool. So they're coming apart quite nicely. So don't be afraid to do this. I was kind of intimidated at first, but they actually come out pretty well, as you can see. So those are the coffee dyed ones. And then I'll reuse this drip paper. So these are the tea colored ones. I have a little hole there, but that's okay. We'll probably cut that out. But they come out pretty cool, and they kind of feel like parchment paper. Get these separated here. Usually the ones that are in the center are usually just kind of tinted, where the ones that are at the top or the bottom have the more unique markings on them because they sit in the pool of whatever product you're using. So those are the tea colored ones, and then these are the ink colored ones. This is the blue. Come up pretty cool. You got little circles and stuff on them. The little unique characteristics. And then we started switching to the yellow. I don't know if you can see, but there's yellow streaks in there because I don't rinse out my brushes. So this is the green. Got a little bit of red on there. That's okay. So instead of spending all that money, you can make your own, and you don't need a whole lot of room to do it. So we'll start a journal series here using these papers in a little bit, and you can see how we utilize all these. Okay, they're perfect for junk journals, and they have the little, they're not real flat, they got little wrinkles in them, and that's cool. That's what we want. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.